How to clear cache and cookies before ordering in Shake Shack in Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear cache and cookies before ordering in Shake Shack. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser, go to shakeshack.com, then go to the three lines in the top right, and then scroll down, go to settings. So there, go to privacy and security. There you can see delete browsing data, just tap on it and then select cookies and other site data and then cache images and files and just tap on delete from this device. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.